This is a dual starter diagram system. I am engineer Mohammad Rani Hossain. Now I connect and diagram this magnetic system control unit. Okay, now start. Now I phase three phase line, source line to MCB miniature circuit breaker. First, second, third, three phase, and connect magnetic contact MCB to magnetic contact 1, 2, 3. Maintain color code. Okay, and I use a overload relay. I connect this first. Maintain color code 2, 3, and load a motor first, second, third, and this is series. And now I connect control unit control. Okay, now I use a off switch and on switch. Off switch NC normally contact এবং on switch normally open. Okay, now I connect a phase and NC to NO, and this connect magnetic contact coil, and this circle complete this magnetic contact negative side, source negative side. Okay, just connect this line. When I push this switch, this line magnetic contact connect and load pass. But now I use dual system. Okay, dual starter system. Dual starter, this line connect or NCA overload relay NC to magnetic contact auxiliary NO. When I contact this then NO convert NC. This coil, this is complete. This is complete dual starter control box. Now I don't use negative. I use it for 440 volt coil. 440 volt coil. Then this is same, just one. I use this phase, so this use another phase. Okay, plus. Okay, this complete. Now I this diagram. Okay.